Well, what's up, y'all? It's me, Handy Danny, and I have a door here. And what we're going to do today, co-workers, is I have a door here. You can see that it's not latching properly. It just kind of opens. I'm not even turning the handle, and you can see that the throw here is not going into the strike plate. So what I'm going to do is, and I've noticed, and I'm looking at it, and you got witness marks on these strike plates here, and what you'll notice is the witness marks kind of show where it hits at right there, and it's hitting low. So I think I need to drop it down, I do believe, or it's going to be taking it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to release these screws here, and just I'm going to try to angle it, the screws just a little bit to catch properly. So let's go ahead and put this hydraulic over here to try to hold the door open, which it's not working as well. There's a possibility I may be replacing this whole entire door because of the issues with it there. So I'm gonna go a little bit lower, and I probably need to break into the the metal there. So let me set this down, kind of position it where I want it, and not a self-tapping screw, however, it might have some forgiveness. So let me try this. All right, so let me just run to the truck real fast and grab a pre-drill. Cut me a new hole, and as you can see here, I have the sign here on the truck, Handyman. There goes my number right there. If you're in the Columbus, Ohio area right now, you know, this is the area that I'm servicing, and bump my head there a little bit. And I got a pre-drill set up. As always, as I always say, I'm hoping you guys got a good view, because when I got this GoPro on my head, then GoPro doesn't want to give us a preview of what we're doing, you know, on our phone like they used to. Makes it harder. So let me go in here and cut me a hole a little bit lower. All right, so I just pre-drilled there. And let me take this guy and set him up here, pop him in there. All right, get my other screw. All right, so we'll see what happens now. Latch, first time. The door is latching properly. Everything is fixed. So sometimes if your door is not latching, that's just the solution to fix it, is to just move your strike plate in the right position from where it was originally set up. So everything is working good there. I love it when things come together that simple. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.